Hi everyone, I'm Sophia from Simply Chinese Eats. Today we're making a crispy, flavorful favorite General Tso style chicken at home. First, let's prep the chicken thighs. To debone quickly, make 2 cuts to form an L shape. Run your knife in a circle around the joint and the meat slides right off. Now cut the meat into chunks. Season with a 1/3 spoon each of salt, chicken powder, and pepper. Give it a good mix. Crack in an egg and mix again. Add some cornstarch and toss to coat evenly. Let this marinate for about 20 minutes. While that's marinating, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, add 2 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon each of ketchup, vinegar, water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine, chicken powder, and sesame oil. Add a splash of water, stir well, and set it aside. Next, mix up some cornstarch with water. We'll use this to thicken the sauce later. Now let's prep the aromatics. Mince some garlic. Cut the white part of scallions into small pieces, and slice the green tops too. Break broccoli into small florets. Here's what we're cooking with today. Chicken thighs, our homemade sauce, Sichuan dried chilies, scallion greens, garlic, scallion whites, cornstarch slurry, and broccoli. Everything is ready, so let's jump right into cooking. First up, let's blanch the broccoli. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add a spoon of salt and a spoon of oil. Toss in the broccoli florets, boil them for just a minute, then scoop them out and set them aside. Next, drop the marinated chicken into hot oil and fry until it turns golden and crispy. Take it out, let it rest, then go in for a second fry, just 1 minute to lock in that perfect crunch. Trust me, this makes all the difference. Now, let's build the flavor base. In a hot pan, add a bit of oil, then toss in minced garlic, chopped scallion whites, and some dried Sichuan chilies. Stir it around until the aroma hits you. Then pour in the sauce we mixed earlier. Sweet, tangy, savory, everything you want in a General Tso's dish. Slowly add the cornstarch slurry in 3 batches, stirring as you go. The sauce will thicken into a glossy, delicious coating. Now bring in that crispy chicken. Toss everything together until each piece is coated in that rich, sticky sauce. Time to plate. Lay the broccoli around the edge, pile the chicken high in the center, and you've got a dish that looks as good as it tastes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more easy Chinese dishes at Simply Chinese Eats. See you next time.